Well, Jacob and Nathan have definitely underlined my birthday and the end of April, in particular the 30th of April, as dates to watch for tornadoes in particular, I think. So I thought I'd look at the American Weather Channel and have a look at the current forecast, because we're now in the final week of April. And this article is from the 24th of April, which is still today in the United States. Multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms, including possible tornadoes, expected in April's final week. So this article is from 7 AM, 24th of April 2017. If I just go down, I'll read it to you. Basically, severe thunderstorms will affect portions of the plains, south and midwest, mid to late week. Large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes will be possible. An active jet stream will be one ingredient helping to fuel multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms that could include tornadoes in April's final week. The first disturbance rippling through that jet stream will bring severe storms from the Central Plains into the lower and middle Mississippi valleys midweek. Right behind that, another potentially more robust weather system could fire off more severe weather in the southern plains Friday, which may then shift further east into next weekend. So this graphic shows the general setup this week, with a strong jet stream and quite a lot of moisture feeding in from the west coast, and basically that is all the ingredients that you need there for severe thunderstorms or supercells. So setup mid to late week includes an active jet stream with moisture returning north ahead of two jet stream disturbances. The forecast is still a little bit out, quite some time out, 7 days out, so there is some uncertainty with this forecast, but the general look of it at the moment. Round 1 is Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tuesday night, basically they're looking at a cold front triggering storms along the area that was shown in the graphic, including parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas. The main risks are large hail, strong winds. Wednesday, the cold front will push east, and the scattered severe storms will push east as well. This now including Missouri, Illinois, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, and perhaps even further east into Mississippi by Wednesday evening. Damaging wind, large hail, and a few tornadoes will be possible on Wednesday, and that includes cities like St. Louis, Little Rock in Arkansas. So that shows the basic setup for Wednesday. And the areas at risk, it's actually red areas indicate where the greatest threat from severe thunderstorms is located, while orange areas denote just general thunderstorm activity. So if you're in a red area, basically there's a possibility of severe thunderstorms. Round 2, the next energetic jet stream disturbance will begin to emerge in the plains from the Rockies as the week comes to a close. Severe storms, including tornadoes, may impact the southern plains on Friday. A corridor from Kansas southward through Oklahoma and North Texas is at greatest risk. The threat could extend as far east as Arkansas. Depending on how this weather system evolves, more rounds of severe weather will be possible in parts of the plains, south and Midwest Saturday into Sunday. Sunday, of course, is the 30th of April. And basically this time window is right between my birthday and that date. Widespread rain and thunderstorms could contribute to flooding in some locations as well. This could be a dangerous severe weather and flooding setup, but forecast changes are likely in the days ahead. So just telling people to check back for updates. So here we have Friday's forecast as of the moment. And you can see the area in red there is the area most likely to be at risk. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Little Rock, Dallas are all in the area. And then Saturday, the threat just moves a little bit. As you can see, it changes shape, becomes more north-south in shape, and again, it still includes Dallas, it still includes Tulsa, it still includes Little Rock. So yeah, that's that, and there's a little graphic at the bottom of the page today which shows tornado risk in America month by month. And if you look at this, that's for January, and this is the average from 1991 to 2015. So the average number of tornadoes that America sees in January is 36. In February, it's 32. Oh, sorry, that was... January is 36. I think that's meant to say February, 32. Saying the same month for everyone, but that's not right. So the average number of February tornadoes is 32. Average number of March tornadoes is 75. Average number of April tornadoes is 178. The average number of May tornadoes is 269. And the average number of June tornadoes is 229. The average number of July tornadoes is 123. The average number of August tornadoes is 75. The average number of September tornadoes is 66. And October, it is 58. November, it's 56. And December, it is 27. So the peak month, if you flick back, is definitely May with 269, but April's pretty bad as well with 178. So you could easily see that the end of April, start of May is a very dangerous time for tornadoes, but that continues into June. And Jacob Wettling is from Minnesota, and you can see that the most severe tornado risk for Minnesota is definitely in June. Just looking at that map. Looking at that area there. And certainly, yeah, you do seem to see certainly a lot of tornadoes in this. You've got Nebraska, South Dakota, quite common for those areas to see tornadoes in June. I have noticed that before. So that's the latest forecast and a bit of info on tornadoes in America.